All right, let's get into this one. Activating the grid with Archangel Metatron. This one is a little bit more personal for me, being Metatron didn't just pop up randomly for me. He first came through when I was getting Reiki sessions. That energy just kept building, kept showing up, and that's what led me to getting certified for Reiki Holy Fire. And not long after that, I went all the way in and I got attuned to his frequency. So when I talk about Metatron, I'm not pulling this out of a book. I'm certified in his energetic frequency marker and I use it in my healing work. So I work with this energy and I know what it does. Now let's get into it. Michael clears the field. Metatron comes in and builds the system. So if your life feels scattered, if your thoughts are all over the place, if you're jumping from one thing to another and nothing is sticking, that's your field lacking structure. Metatron is the frequency of order, sacred geometry, and alignment. He doesn't come in to soothe you. He comes in to fucking organize you, organize the chaos, and get shit back on track. So most of you are trying to build something real on messy code. You need to tap into your internal code, not the external one that the world keeps trying to fucking feed you and shove down your throat. Just saying. Half-finished ideas, no consistency, no structure, just fucking vibes and chaos, and then you're wondering why nothing locks in. That's where he steps in. How to activate him. 1, state the intent, keep it direct. Metatron, organize my mind, my energy, my path, lock me into alignment. 2, the visualization. Don't overthink it. See a geometric grid, cubes, patterns locking into place around you. Everything snapping into order. The calibration. Ask him to clear the mental clutter and align your next step. Not 10 steps, just the next one. One step at a time. This isn't religion. This is the mechanics. You're not lost. You're just not fucking structured. And Metatron is what brings order to the chaos. So let's go quick deep dive into Metatron's frequency. The archetype, the architect, the grid builder. He deals in systems and precision, not emotions. The alignment. You can't call on him and stay inconsistent. He will push you into fucking discipline whether you like it or not. I know from fucking experience. The signs, repeating patterns, numbers, geometry, sudden clarity, things clicking into place. This is high-level organization energy. So when you call him in, don't be surprised if you suddenly want to clean your space. You see exactly what's out of order. Your priorities get real fucking clear real fast. That's not fucking random. That's alignment when you call him in. If your mind feels cluttered, your path feels scattered, or you keep starting things and not finishing them, pause, breathe, and say, Metatron, get in here now. Organize my field, align my path, lock me the fuck in. That's it. No BS, no fucking spiraling. Just call him in and then follow the structure he gives you. Stay present for the signs. So if you made it this far, you know the drill. Touch all the buttons. Show your girl some love. Check out this sky. It looks like a real simulation rendered loading behind me. Funny. We are in a simulation, just saying. So on that note, I hope everyone has a great day. Get out into nature, ground your energy, release energy that's no longer yours to carry. The more you know.